Okay guys, so we're gonna put together a two-tier dish rack from start to finish. So I'm just gonna open this up and get started. So this is a very basic apartment kitchen that I'm gonna be doing a series of temporary renovations to. And this is the area of counter space I'm gonna be working with. It's actually quite limited. It's kind of a galley style kitchen. So yeah, it's narrow. I'll show when I do the kitchen video, I'll show you the actual layout. But here we go. So I needed something to keep my countertops organized. I don't love my cabinets. They're old. And so I didn't want to put my everyday dishes in there. So here's the solution I came up with. We've got a dish rack slash dish organizer. Getting tongue-tied. So this is how it comes shipped. I just opened the box. It's folded up. You gotta put it together a little bit. Let's just get started on assembly. So this is what it's supposed to look like. I just looked at Amazon, looked at the top rated, reasonably priced dish rack organizers and balanced reviews with really, I just looked at the reviews and, you know, measurements and things I wanted. And I didn't want one that had paint on the stainless steel and some other factors. And this is what I came up with. So this is what it's going to look like. I don't know why they say it's black. I think it's because of the drainage tray and the two like the outside frame is black, but the actual rack part is stainless steel, rust proof, which is exactly what I wanted. Interesting. Yeah, I'm just looking at this. So yeah, all right. This company, this had 5 out of 5 reviews, a lot of 5-star reviews pretty much. And this is nice. They include a card with their contact us stuff, and they respond within 24 hours. So that is very cool in terms of service. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this and I'll show you guys the finished product. I'll update you if I run into any problems. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, so I looked way too far into this. I was having trouble attaching the two side frames thingies. I was trying to fit the metal into this part by looping it over. When it really just slides in, there's a little bit of space here that you can loop it into, and it goes like that. So I should be able to finish this. They say you're supposed to be able to assemble this in a minute, and you probably can if you do not overthink how these pieces fit together like I did. So I'll be right back. And there you have it. Sure enough, less than 1 minute later, I was able to put everything together. I had to find out what I'm going to do with my teapot now, my tea kettle. I might move it to the other counter. But yeah, everything just fit over really easily, really nicely. The utensil rack, this is going to be for glasses. It's not that sturdy, and they said this in some of the reviews, but I think it'll be okay. Yeah, I'm not going to be moving this around or anything. And if not, it looks like you could secure it by maybe attaching even like a twist tie or wire or something just to keep it stationary. Attach it to the frame, but at the bottom, that looks like it would work really well. But I don't think that'll be necessary because, again, it's a stationary piece, a stationary home furnishing. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using it for. So that's about it. That wraps up this video. I'm gonna see you guys again soon. There's a cameo appearance by my tea kettle that I love by NutriChef. I might as well show you now. Tells you the temperature of the water and all that, and it's made of glass. Let me not turn that on. It's made of glass, and it has an LED light and all that stuff, but I can review that later. I drink tea so many times a day, it's not even funny. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay clean, stay safe, stay organized, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye now.